Hi guys, I'm Mr. Bellison, and this is
Gerardo Gonzalez.
And I'm the director of The Infected. I'm also your teacher, as you know. And he is.
I'm Jose. I play Jose in The Infected.
He's also editor, and he's also sound effects supervisor and Foley expert. And right now we're actually doing Foley for The Infected, as you're about to see. One of the big challenges of this movie is that we had a lot of sounds that we needed to make it more realistic, but we couldn't just use the sounds in the computer because they're kind of generic. So we had to go in and do Foley, which is very, very common in movies. I mean, all movies use Foley to make sounds of footsteps, doors, or anything supernatural or a special effects sound. In this particular movie, we needed a lot of things like zombies eating people, breaking bones, falls, hits with bats. So what was the biggest challenge for doing Foley in this movie for you?
The biggest challenge for me, in my opinion, was first off getting the correct sound with the right objects to get the sound that we need. For example, bats. Mr. Besson thought of a great idea to bring in watermelons and smash watermelons to get the good sound of the bat hitting somebody's body or smashing someone's head, the zombie's head. Another big challenge was how to get the breaking bones. Mr. Bellison thought of a very good idea, which is by auxiliary, and we were in class just ripping it up, and it sounded very original, and I think it's gonna come out pretty good final day when we see this movie.
Say right about here, the guts will start coming into play, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and do the guts of Danny's character. And to do that, we got these watermelons. We think this might sound good. It's gonna get messy, obviously, but we need to get in there with our fingers and really just kind of like we're tearing his guts apart.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try to get some zombie noises to fit in while the zombies pop up the zombie horde pops up for the first time. So we're gonna record every single one of our crew members, mix it all up together, see how it sounds.
Check. You give me a mic check, guys?
Hello?
Check.
Alright, so this is it, guys. This is the last Foley of The Infected. And I have the whole crew with us here. Let them introduce themselves.
Mikey. Big Chris.
J.R. Gerardo.
Pieces.
And behind the camera is Danny, as you recognize from the movie. So we are going to do the zombie noises for the end of The Infected. And yeah, this will be it for us. Okay, guys, ready? Alright, here we go.
What do we do? There's too many of them. The window. Come on, dude, let's go.
Alright, we're going to do another track of guts, because, you know, you can never have too many guts in a zombie movie. Okay, ready to roll?
Rolling.